This is Jonathan at Brubaker Chrysler Jeep here to introduce our newest trade-in. It's a 2018 Volvo XC60. It's the Momentum Edition, so it has a 2-liter turbo supercharged engine. Very fully equipped, only has 55,000 miles on it. It's priced at $32,995. Has a lot of safety features, has a lot of luxury features. It's a beautiful vehicle. Come on in, check it out. We'll take a look at a few things inside.
Taking a look inside, traditionally with the newer vehicles, it'll be a push button start. However, what you do here with this button, you just twist it to start the vehicle. As I mentioned, this vehicle is very fully equipped, has a lot of safety features, a lot of luxury features, including your navigation system, the screen here that you can scroll through, much like an iPad. It has a lane keeping aid, the park assist, cross path detection, blind spot monitoring, self-parking, and more. It will have the heated seats, both on the front seats and also the rear seats, heated steering wheel, memory seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, and much more. Once again, this vehicle is very nice. It was just traded in, won't be here long. Priced at $32,995. Come check it out. Once again, when you think Jeep, think Brubaker.